x square plus bx plus c, since here a not equal to 0. Dividing this polynomial by a, we have x square plus b upon a into x plus c upon a. If we obtain if we convert this polynomial into difference of two square numbers, difference of two squares, then we have the solution of this polynomial. That is solution of this polynomial x square plus b upon x plus c upon a equal to 0, and it is equivalent to this equation, that is x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So we find the two square numbers and their difference. Here take these two terms and find the third term. The third term is, by completing square method, the third term is b upon 2a bracket square. If I add this term, so subtract also b upon 2a bracket square plus c upon a equal to 0. And this is the complete square of x plus b upon 2a bracket square. And by solving this, b square minus 4a square plus c upon a equal to 0. So x plus b upon 2a, here LCM of 4a square and a is 4a square. Divide this 4a square by 4a square, we have 1. 1 into b square, b square. Here minus sign is taken here. So here minus, divide 4a square by a. So we have 4a. 4a into c, that is 4ac equal to 0. And therefore this x plus b upon 2a bracket square is equal to b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Taking square root of both sides, we have x plus b upon 2a equal to square root of this under root b square minus 4ac upon square root of 4a square is 2a. And we have two values of this, that is plus or minus. Plus or minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So it is also written as x equal to minus b upon 2a plus or minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So x equal to 2a is else. Therefore minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac. This is the formula for finding solution of quadratic equation by formula method. Here x is written as minus b plus or minus, first of all I take plus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. I take one root here plus, so it is also denoted as alpha, and beta minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. These are alpha and beta. These are two roots of quadratic equation, and alpha equal to this value, beta equal to given this value. But note that if I interchange the values of alpha and beta, then see here, if alpha equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, then alpha is greater than beta. And if we consider alpha, value of alpha minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, then we say that alpha is less than beta. By using this formula, we find the roots of quadratic equation. Let us solve one example by formula method. Given example is x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Compare this, compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then we have value of a equal to 1, value of b equal to minus 2 and value of c equal to minus 3. Then first we find the values of b square minus 4ac. This b square minus 4ac is called discriminant, denoted by delta. Then put the values of this minus 2 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 3. We have minus 2 square is 4. Minus minus plus 4 into 3, 12 equal to 16. Therefore, values of b square minus 4ac is 16. Then, by formula method, value of x equal to x minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Put all the values. Value of b is minus 2 minus value of b minus 2 plus or minus under root 16 upon 2 into a. Value of a is 1. Therefore, it is minus minus plus 2 plus or minus square root of 16 is 4 divided by 2. Therefore, value of x equal to 2 plus 4 by 2 or x equal to 2 minus 4 by 2. Therefore, x equal to 6 by 2 or x equal to minus 2 by 2. Therefore, x equal to 3 or x equal to minus 1. Therefore, minus 3 or minus 1 are roots of given equation. 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Then if I take a y equal to x square, so it is written as x square equal to 2x plus 3. By solving graphically, take y equal to x square, but x square equal to 2x plus 3. First take equation that is y equal to x square and prepare the table for draw the graph, and second is this y equal to 2x plus 3 and prepare the table for this for values of x and y. If we draw the graph of this, the graph is as denoted by this figure, and here there are two values of x. Question number 1, here given x square minus 7x plus 5 equal to 0. Here I saw example number 2, that is 2m square equal to 5m minus 5. Take all terms towards the LHS, that is 2m square minus 5m plus 5 equal to 0. Comparing this equation, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here value of a is 2, value of b minus 5 and value of c is 5. Example number 3, y square equal to 7y, written as y square minus 7y. Here third term is here not, therefore take it is a 0 equal to 0 in standard form. Comparing with x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we have a equal to 1, b equal to minus 7 and c equal to 0. Now solve examples in question number 2. Solve the quadratic equation by using the formula method. There are some 6 examples. I take one by one. First of all, example number 1. Example number 1 is x square plus 6x plus 5 equal to 0. 6x plus 5 equal to 0. Then compare with, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then we have a equal to 1, b equal to 6 and c equal to 5. Then find the value of discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. Put the values. 6 square minus 4 into value of a is 1, value of c is 5. That is, this is 36 minus 20 equal to 16. Then write down the formula method, find the value of x. So by formula method, this x equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a minus value of b is 6 plus or minus b square minus 4ac 16 divided by 2a. 2 into a is 1. By solving this we have minus 6 plus or minus 4 divided by 2. Therefore there are two values of x, that is x equal to minus 6 plus 4 by 2 or x equal to minus 6 minus 4 by 2. Therefore x equal to minus 2 by 2 or x equal to minus 10 by 2. So we have the values of x equal to minus 1 or x equal to minus 5. Therefore this minus 1 and minus 5, minus 1 and minus 5 are roots of given equation. Similarly, you solve the example number 2. Now I take example number 3. In variable m is given. So example number 3 is 3m square plus 2m minus 7 equal to 0. Comparing with this also, comparing with x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then we have a equal to 3, b equal to 2 and c equal to minus 7. So find the value of discriminant. B square minus 4ac equal to b square is 2 square minus 4 into a is 3, c is minus 7, 2 square is 4, minus minus plus 84. Therefore value of b square minus 4ac 88. Then by formula method we can write here variable is in quadratic equation is in the variable m. So find the value of m. M equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a equal to minus b, value of b is 2 plus or minus root 88 upon 2 into value of a is 3 minus 2 plus or minus root 88. This root 88 can be written as 4 into 22. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 into 22. Therefore this is plus 2 root 22 divided by 6. Then take common 2 and divide this. Minus 1 plus or minus root 22 and therefore this is 3. Here take 2 common and here 2 into 3. This written as 2 into 3. Take 2 common, 2 to get cancelled and we have minus 1 plus or minus root 22 divided by 3. Therefore there are two values of m that are minus 1 plus root 22 divided by 3 and minus 1 minus root 22 divided by 3 are roots of given equation. Now See the example number 5. That is y square plus 1 by 3y equal to 2. Y square plus 1 by 3y equal to 2. Take all terms towards the LHS. Y square plus 1 by 3y minus 2 equal to 0. Here a equal to 1, b equal to 1 by 3, c equal to minus 2. For simplify this to solve by formula method, here I multiply this equation by 3. So we have 3y square plus y minus 6 equal to 0, multiplying by 3. Therefore, comparing with x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, since a not equal to 0, this is a quadratic equation in standard form, then by formula method, x equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the solution of this quadratic equation. In this, b square minus 4ac is called discriminant and denoted by Greek letter delta. From the value of this delta, we find the nature of roots of given quadratic equation. There are three cases. First case is if this delta equal to 0. Delta equal to 0, then the value of b square minus 4ac is 0. That is square root of 0 is 0. So we have the solution, that is x equal to only minus b upon 2a. That means roots are real and equal. Then roots are real and equal. Second case is that if this delta greater than 0. If delta greater than 0, we have two roots, that is x equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and x equal to minus b square under root minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and that roots are denoted by here alpha and beta. These two roots are different, means roots are real and unequal. Roots are real and unequal. The third case is that if this delta less than 0. Delta less than 0 means value of b square minus 4ac is negative and square root of negative number is not real. Therefore, the roots are not real. Then roots are not real. There is one activity is given in your book, that is value of discriminant and nature of roots. These values are given 50, minus 30 and 0. Observe here, this discriminant value is 50, that is greater than 0. So nature of roots is real and unequal. Here value of discriminant means delta is minus 30, that is less than 0. Therefore roots are not real. And here value of this delta equal to 0 means roots are real and equal. Then what is the relation between roots means alpha and beta and the coefficients means the value a, b and c. First, here given alpha and beta. These are two roots of this quadratic equation. We find first alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta equal to, put the values of alpha, that is minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. plus put the value of beta minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here adding this minus b plus b square minus 4ac minus b minus b square minus 4ac. These two terms cancel, that is minus b means minus 2b upon 2a, and therefore these two get cancelled. Value of it minus b upon a, that is alpha plus beta equal to minus b upon a, that is coefficient minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. This is the relation between roots and coefficient, that is alpha plus beta equal to minus b upon a. Now I take alpha into beta, that is minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a multiplied minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here this 2a into 2a, that is 4a square. See the numerator minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac means sum of two terms and difference of two terms. Therefore its expansion is minus b bracket square minus under root b square minus 4ac bracket square. If we solve this, minus b square is b square minus the square root and its square means this b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. I solve here alpha into beta equal to, that is b square minus b square plus 4ac upon 4a square. These two get cancelled, that is 4ac upon 4a equal to alpha into beta. 4 get cancelled and 1a get cancelled, that is c upon a, that is constant term divided by coefficient of x square. This is the relation between these alpha into beta and here alpha plus beta. Now if two roots of equations are given, then to form the quadratic equation, two roots are given, then how to form the quadratic equation? Let alpha and beta are the roots of equation. If alpha and beta are roots of equation, then we write that x minus alpha into x minus beta equal to 0. If we solve this, x into x, that is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. If two roots are given, then quadratic equation is in that form, that is x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots equal to 0. Take one example. If roots are given, that is -5 and 8. These are two roots. Let alpha equal to -5 and beta equal to 8. Then alpha plus beta equal to -5 plus 8 equal to 3. And alpha into beta equal to -5 into 8 equal to -40. Then the required equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. Put values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, that is x square minus alpha plus beta is 3x, and value of alpha into beta -40 equal to 0, that is x square minus 3x minus 40 equal to 0. This is the required equation.